Retelling of Chapter 6, Special Projects. In this chapter, the Guardians provide insights into various special projects involving extraterrestrial activities, human evolution, and tools for understanding visitor encounters. I'll retell it in a structured modern narrative style, summarizing the key sections while preserving the original concepts in clearer, more accessible language. Crop circles. Mysterious symbols with hidden agendas. The chapter opens with a brief but intriguing explanation of crop circles, those enigmatic patterns that appear overnight in fields worldwide. Far from being mere hoaxes or random occurrences, genuine crop circles, excluding human-made fakes or mechanical imprints from crafts, are deliberate creations by ET or interdimensional visitors. They're not landing pads or leftover messages. Instead, they signal active alien operations in the area. As long as a formation remains visible, it means ongoing visitor presence nearby, influencing both the land and its inhabitants. These formations are crafted through advanced manipulation of subatomic energy, embedding multidimensional symbols into the environment. They're part of Keylonta science, a universal language of frequency patterns that speaks directly to biology and the subconscious. Some circles stimulate neurological growth and awareness in locals, while others repress or scramble it, often over vast radii, thousands of miles. They're essentially mass frequency control devices, placed in sequences to form larger, undetectable grids. Helpful ones counteract harmful agendas, but overall, they're tools for subtle manipulation. The Guardians urge humans to learn about these technologies for self-protection, promising more details in future transmissions. Neurological stimulation. How circles affect the mind and body. Building on crop circles, the Guardians explain their role in neurological stimulation. Benign formations accelerate subtle brain structures, enhancing intuition and multidimensional awareness, while malicious ones scramble or desensitize them. This ties into Keylonta as the core language of biology and the planet itself. Circles ground specific frequencies to influence populations subliminally. The effects can span huge areas, manipulating biochemistry, emotions, and even electrical systems in the body. The message is clear: humans must study these to avoid being puppets, as the tech far exceeds current Earth capabilities. Adjacent Earth and Zeta, a call to action for humanity's future. Shifting to a broader special project, the Guardians discuss relocating the Zeta to an adjacent Earth, a fourth-dimensional, 4D version of our planet, less dense and operating under different natural laws. This info is aimed at starseeds, humans with the silicate matrix crystal gene for multidimensional abilities, to telepathically assist the Zeta and Guardians like Athenians, Zionites, and Ranthia in this transition. Through meditation and soul alignment, these individuals can broadcast knowledge and align energy grids. But there's a dire warning. This 4D Earth is a dystopian society under a covert interior government allied with reptilian Dracos, who overthrew the Zeta. It's a one-world order with puppet leaders, where freedoms are illusions. Inhabitants are chemically sterilized, drugged via air/water/food, and monitored via holograms. Emotions are suppressed, intuition's blocked, and a hybrid super race is engineered for portal travel, while the planet's resources are bartered away, leading to ecological collapse by 2976 AD, which could ripple to our 3D Earth. Worse, this 4D world is dumping radioactive waste into our dimension via portals, risking reactor overloads. Humans must disconnect from this timeline by awakening from our own base program, a subconscious societal conditioning that promotes fear, competition, disempowerment, and materialism. This program mirrors the 4D control system and is subtly influencing us. Lightworkers are called to rewrite it through self-exploration, fostering brotherhood and empowerment. By evolving personally, we create pathways for 4D inhabitants to escape their trap, averting a shared catastrophic future. UIR's helping abductees, guidance for scientists and healers. The Guardians then address how to help abductees, criticizing mainstream science for dismissing experiences as hallucinations or hoaxes. They urge professionals, doctors, therapists, to validate abductions as real, using hypnosis, biofeedback, and body talk, communicating with cellular intelligence during natural states like sleep, to retrieve repressed memories. Most abductions are cyclic, starting in childhood and tied to genetic experiments. Screening should be standard as they cause many typical mental disorders, for example, depression, psychosis. Distinguished types: consented soul agreements versus forced, violations with holographic inserts or matrix transplants. For forced ones, especially with code distortions, multidimensional healers are needed. Overall, empower abductees by educating on ET agendas and prevention. Fear comes from ignorance, healing from integration. The Guardians note, many professionals are abductees themselves, trained subconsciously for enlightenment. The cellular alphabet. Unlocking reality's code. Finally, the chapter demystifies the cellular alphabet, Keylonta codes as fixed electromagnetic patterns, fire letters, in every cell, forming humanity's genetic blueprint. Like a multidimensional alphabet, they translate energy into perceptions via senses, creating our 3D illusion. Criticizing experiments simulating fake abductions via brain stimulation, the Guardians argue this doesn't disprove real ones. It's like randomly jumbling letters and claiming language doesn't exist. Both abductions and everyday reality are energy translations. Understanding Keylonta reveals all as illusions, yet valid aspects of multidimensional truth. Net. The chapter closes with encouragement. Decode your reality, embrace growth, and happy trails through the matrix of time. Signed by the Ranthia. This retelling captures the chapter's essence: warning, empowerment, and cosmic science, while making it more concise and engaging for modern readers. 5.1 Sexpert.